So, you guys are wondering what that sound is. That's the baby's heartbeat. So I have a Doppler that you put on your stomach, and you put the gel on your stomach and put the little probe thing on it, and then you can hear the baby's heartbeat. And they usually do this like every time I go to the doctor, but I got anxious and I wanted my own, so I got my own. It's really close right now. So, as you guys can tell, I haven't been doing any videos because I can't do resin or anything right now. Wow. I have not found out if I'm having a boy or a girl yet. I find out February the 13th, so I'll let you guys know. And, so this was just a quick update. This is Xavier playing his DS. So, peace.